Jerry Mason, Kickin lawyer. So I thought we could talk about diversion again. So diversion is a vehicle in the state of Tennessee, and most state courts have some version of diversion, some vehicle of diversion. And basically the way it works, it's kind of like that first time offender, get out of jail free type thing, right? The way it works is if you don't have any criminal history and the charge that you're facing is divertible, and in Tennessee up to some C felonies are divertible. Now there are some misdemeanors that aren't, so like a DUI is not divertible. In any event, if it's a charge that is divertible, we run your background, and here if you're not indigent, you have to pay $100 to send to the TBI. They send us a certificate that shows you're either eligible or ineligible for diversion. Assuming that the charge is eligible and the client is eligible, you enter a plea to the offense. So you actually do plead guilty to whatever the offense is. But the judge diverts the sentencing for the term of probation. So if somebody were to look up a case while you're on diversion, it would still show pending. It wouldn't show a disposition. It wouldn't show guilty plea or resolved or whatever. The benefit of diversion is at the end of that probationary period, the charge is dismissed and can be expunged from your record immediately. The negatives of diversion are once you use it, you can never use it again. So if you use it on some minor offense when you're 18 and then later you're 35 and you got some serious thing you'd like to have it for, it's gone. The second thing is while you're on that probation period, if you do something that violates the terms of the diversion, then the judge can bring you in and sentence you, and now the charge will stay on your record, or at least till the expungible time that would normally pass for a conviction. So there are plus and minuses, and there's definitely a time and place to use diversion in criminal defense, and we do use it often to try to eventually achieve that dismissal. But anyway, it's just an important tool that we have in our belt, so to speak, to try to defend our clients.